Canta. What happened, Rapunzel? What's the matter? Use your powers.
Okay. Love, wake me and glow. Let your power shine. Make a clock of friends. Bring one with morn. When the morn was bright.
Rapunzel, let down your hair.
Okay, Mother.
Back up so I can see you. Back up. Oye, si Isabela.
Okay, Mom. Flynn, right.
Rapunzel, you shall never leave this tower ever. Get your face off the carpet, Bella. Thank you. Can you sing?